Hey guys, here's my recipe for creamy chicken soup. This is what you'll need. The full written recipe is in the description. This recipe is easy because I use pre-cooked chicken, and these are the seasonings that I use. Start by melting the butter. Saute your onions and celery, just till they're soft, about 2 minutes. Make sure you're adding seasonings. Anytime you add anything to the pot, you're gonna season it. After a couple minutes, go ahead and add the flour and just mix it around until the flour is cooked. Stir in the garlic and pour in the broth. Add more seasoning, but adjust the amounts to your taste. Add in the cheese and just mix it well. Pour in the cream, stir for a couple of minutes. This will allow the sauce to get creamy. And now you can add in the rest of the ingredients. Just stir till everything is combined. Add a little bit of water and lower the heat and let it simmer until your potatoes are cooked. And now your delicious soup is ready. I like to serve it over white rice. It's so rich, so creamy. If you make this, I know you're gonna love it. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.